हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल टॉक विद ताइबा। तो जैसे कि मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियोस में आपको बताया था, अब मैं अपना चैनल रीडायरेक्ट कर रही हूँ मेंटल वेलनेस की तरफ, और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग पीपल। तो क्या नए हैं तो प्लीज़ हिट दैट रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकन ऑल्सो टू गेट instant notifications for my channel. Also, one more announcement that I am going to start my digital academy on mental wellness in upcoming 3 months. So if you want to invite me for live events, corporate events, you can invite me, because I'm learning the art of happiness, the art of staying in peak performance state, and so many things through NLP, through hypnosis, and through life coaching. सो ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने करी हैं, एंड आज हम बात करेंगे 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग पीपल। तो सबसे पहली जो हैबिट होती एंड फोर्थ क्वालिटी मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग लोगों की ये होती है दैट दे एम्ब्रेस देयर मिस्टेक्स वेरी वेरी वेल एंड दे लर्न फ्रॉम देयर मिस्टेक्स एंड दे डोंट सी देयर मिस्टेक एज फेलियर्स। सो इसका एक बहुत ही छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल मैं देना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे एक बच्चा है एंड ही इज़ लर्निंग टू वॉक. सो व्हेन अ child learns to walk, he falls down several times. Now what if that child gives up after walking a few steps, or falling down a few times? Will he learn to walk? Well, absolutely no. So this applies to our life also. But as adults, हमें अपनी गलतियाँ निकालना, it's not very easy, because the mistakes that we do are complicated, and they are cognitive mistakes, they're behavioral mistakes, they're different kind of mistakes that we make. So we need to really sit down and analyze ourselves, what really went down. Matlab, how you need to ask yourself actually 3 questions. The first question was, what accounted to such huge difference between the desired outcome and the actual outcome? Okay, so what led to such big gap? And second, how can you actually improve that mistake the next time? And third, very important, what are the learnings that you have taken, and how can you avoid the same mistake again? So जब आप ये 3 चीज़ें कर लेते हैं, then you are sort of more aware about what are the possibilities that can go wrong, and you are actually not repeating that mistake, because if you keep repeating the same mistakes, what will happen is you will be away from your goals, you would not learn lessons on time, and self development will not happen. So what you really need is, don't be very harsh on yourself, don't go in self pity, don't feel victimized, because if you feel victimized, you put yourself in a self-sabotage state, and when you sabotage yourself, you can't progress or make any positive changes. So the key here is to take responsibility of your mistakes, own your mistakes, but never be too hard on yourself that why did I do those mistakes. Instead, reflect, why was there such a big gap, what can I change, and what did I learn. So this will really help you get better. And mistakes, I will say, they are wonderful opportunities of growth, because हम mistakes से, it is only through mistakes that we become our best versions. अगर हम mistakes ही ना करें, then we are actually doing nothing new, we are not trying something new. So it is only through mistakes that we are experimenting, becoming better, and actually we turn out the best versions if you constantly keep learning and keep evolving through your mistakes. So be